Today we're back with another episode of Resident Zombie Evil Village. This time we're doing it with voice. Last time I didn't do it with voice because at the time I didn't feel like it, so let's get back to it. Alright. Guns fully upgraded. Watching out for any zombies that come near. They know not to mess with us, guys. Especially those chainsaw people. They better not mess with us, or they got to deal with, or they're gonna eat some ammo. You know what I'm saying? This is only wave 20. I think we might get a boss. Oh, we're getting a boss. It's a boss, guys. We're cooked. I don't like the bosses. They're overpowered. Leave me alone. Yo, back up. Oh, I forgot to sprint. I forgot to shit. Yeah. No. Oh my gosh, bro. Why the ads? Okay, guys, we gotta be locked in. I forgot. I didn't even look at this part right here, so I forgot that shift was to sprint. You know. All right. We have one grenade, 95 bullets, and a maxed out AK-47. Let's lock in, guys. We don't know what side they're coming out from. Oh. Yo! Back up! Oh! What? The heck? Oh! Weaved it. Oh my gosh! Oh! They're throwing scythes at me! No! Oop. No! Fire from... I am wasting bullets that way! The fact that this person just has infinite energy. What are you? Who are you? Goku? Do you just run around doing this for a living? 26 alive. And I'm the only one. Oh, no! Did I let go of shift? If you are a person that hates zombies for some reason, why does the chainsaw man have the bag on his head? And there's a man with the ball holding dynamite. Die! Die! Oh! I'm sorry. Please forgive me. No! Oh! No! Oh! Weave. 13 alive. Oh, I'm taking damage. I'm taking massive amount of damage. Okay. Oh no, come on, let's pick up the money so we can actually get something, so we can actually upgrade that assault rifle we have in the no. Oh my gosh. No. Why do we reload at the wrong time, bro? I mean, of course we're gonna need to reload because you know. Stay back! Oh god, guys, I killed one. There's two of them? Oh, ankles broke. Get your ankles broke. Oh my goodness! Come on, man. Come on, man. Nah. Guys, we were so close. Alright, let's go to the dealer. Oh, this is our assault rifle, guys. No, this is our AK. Our assault rifle's right here. Let's go ahead and buy it. We don't have enough. We don't have enough. I forgot I have my sound off on my laptop right now. Let's switch guns real quick. I have this site muted right now, so we can't really hear anything. Let me select my gun. Select. Alright, you guys, I'm actually gonna unmute the site so you guys can see it right now. Okay. Now that you guys see the site that I'm playing on, you guys can actually go and play it yourselves. I don't know why I had the sound on before I started recording. No. Oh! I have not played this in a long while. She has a dagger! What kind of zombie carries around a dagger? Why am I the only survivor in this village? Oh no! Oh, we're gonna die real quickly. I'm shooting at the glass! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Oh! No! Oh! Oh my gosh! Yo, why are they? Oh, I hate when they throw stuff. Nah! You cannot do that, bro. Cheating. Guys, we're low. We're low. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. There is no way, bro. Ain't no way he got us like that, bro. He came up from He appeared out of nowhere. Let's just start the ride right now. Get a spot to hide where they won't be able to find us. We're cooking them so far. Bro, I'm gonna put bullets in your mouth, bro, if you don't go swim with your nasty claws. Don't nobody want your bloody claws on those, bro. Oh! What? What are they saying? Oh! 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 I hate it when I'm jumped. Grenade! 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 Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Get back! Get back! Ah! Stay back! Stay back! Okay, I got him! I got him! I got him! No, we're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. GG's! GG's! Oh! Oh my gosh! Grenade right now. Oh my! We got 4 left, boys and girls. Now there's 3 of them. Why they hit that corner though? Die! 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 Oh my gosh. Guys, we might actually survive this on 1 HP.
Basta, hijo de puta!
Not charge or attack up, please. G, right now. Yo, you thought you was slick. Nah. We gotta get far away from them in order to shoot them. Cause with that attack, they could get really close. Chuck a little grenade at them. Here they come. Reload quick. Yo! You thought... Oh, that just slowed me down. That just slowed me down! Come on! Come on! Ah! Go down! Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! No! No! No, guys, we're cooked. We're cooked. Yo, what did mans do to deserve this? Oh! Yes! Yes! We did it! We're actually goated. Bro, these ads are coming out of nowhere! Randomly appearing like this. Guys, we're goated. We're goated. Let's go upgrade our assault rifle.
Not enough cash, stranger. Come back anytime.
Should we go back using the shotgun? Yeah, let's go back using the
Got a
shotgun. Bro.
selection of good things on sale, stranger. Come back anytime.
Okay, boys and girls, we pulled our shotgun back out and we are ready. Gonna make sure that them chainsaw people that don't come and mess with us for real. Pull the shotgun back out. This is only wave 21 too. Got a lot. I wonder how much waves there is to go, bro.
I got an ammo!
That was almost ankles. That was almost ankles. Ooh. Ah, I got an itchy finger right now. I got an itchy finger right now. I got an itchy finger right now. Oh my gosh. Yo, imagine being in this, bro. We be, I ain't gonna lie to you, we be mad paranoid when this apocalypse is over, though. Yo! I did not expect that wave to end like that, bro. This is wave 22, y'all. The boss comes around. We gonna show him not to mess with us. Hold up, let's go reload. Go ahead and reload real quick. The boss gonna realize the boss is gonna realize that we are not to be messed with. Wave 22, Wave 22. Nah. Get out here, jumping us! Well, that's one way to take out a whole group of zombies that are coming for you and they're thirsty for blood. Especially these creatures. How does she survive that gunshot? That was meant for both of them. Oh! Yo, these things cannot aim! Oh! Oh! Nah. Oh my gosh, we almost had it too! Yo, what's he doing to us? Back shots in the end. I'm just kidding. Anyways.
What a selection of good things on sale.
Y'all think we should use the assault rifle this time? Let's use our assault rifle.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go ahead and use our assault rifle.
Come back anytime.
Oh my gosh, bro. They are not out here to play. The more upgrades, the better. Gotta redo Wave 22 again, guys. That one zombie with the axe, bro, he was locked in. Watching his friends die and crap. He said, nah, I gotta get revenge for my boys. And, family, you know? Oh, they coming in hot. He was coming in hot. I had barely any time to react. Bro, they throwing scythes at me. Get back! Ah! As you're doing this, like, oh my gosh. Grenade, now! They had me cornered, bro. I wasn't gonna make it out alive anyways. Yeah! They had me cornered, bro. Yeah. They had us cornered. Yo, we gotta lock in, y'all. We have to lock in! Like, this is like the second time we've died on Wave 22. Like, of course, they got like 26 zombies coming after us. Like, what else do you expect me to do? Climb up here? I don't even think that's possible. Yeah. Come really think about it, these things are paid. At the same time, they're trying to kill you, but as you really think about it, yo, I feel like I purposely missed her, bro. Purposely missed her. I feel like I purposely did it. Let's go ahead and upgrade our assault rifle.
Thank you.
Yo, we got a drum. How much ammo can this hold?
Come back anytime.
That's pretty,
Welcome.
that's a pretty good amount. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this
Come
holds
back
more.
anytime.
Nah, hold up. See, I feel like this one holds. I feel like the AK holds more. See, holds a total of 95. So yeah, let's just sit here and chill until. Oh, never mind. Come on, y'all, we gotta lock in, especially when the boss comes. Oh, I thought I could leave that. Try throwing axes for it. Like, actually hit me. Like, actually try and hit me. Just spraying them for no reason at all. Yo, what? What? No! No! Get off me! Get off me! They are desperate! Oh. Oh, we gotta get that med pack. We have to get that med pack. Okay, we good. Oh, we not good. We're not good. We are not good. Use your aim. I'm saying this while I'm being chased by 40 other zombies that I have not killed. Oh, it was like 2. Bro, what is with this and these ads, bro? What's next? They're gonna start asking me for premium, bro? Like, $20% off just to get premium. Y'all, I'm switching to the assault rifle. We have to give the assault, the M4. We have to give this M4 some love, bro.
Come back anytime.
Bet we got it maxed out. We straight. We are straight. Wave 23. These bosses better be ready for this new gun that I got. Got it from the dealer in this town. I'm surprised. Thing is, I'm surprised the dealer's even still alive. That quickly took him out. Yeah. Yeah. 8 bullets, you criminal scum! Oh, guys, I think I blacked out for a bit. I just blacked out. They were going at it. Guys, we gotta reload. Yo, we're cooked. We're cooked. We should have kept it with the AK. $50 bullets in one eye. Oh, I feel like I purposely did that, even though that I didn't. Yo, I paused it at the right time. I feel like I was about to get hit by that thing, even though that I just did. Weaving it, cut in the oi. Oh crap! We did it. Yeah, yeah. At this point, we should just pull out the shotgun again.
You got a selection of good things on sale, stranger. You come back anytime.
Yeah, you only have like a couple guns, dude. I don't have anything. I do not have anything else to upgrade, bro. Sorry, dude. I gave you all the money I got, bro. Especially when we first started this in the first video. I don't know how many levels there are in this, how many waves there are in this. It's just like an endless one. I feel like we've watched a couple ads just to get the minigun. I don't think that's ever coming. Yeah, I think we got the boss. Is this a boss round? I don't see the Chainsaw Man anywhere. Oh, guys, they got me. They got me. Yo. Nah. No. Yo, I need the med pack. If I don't grab it, we're cooked. No! Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, for the love of. Guys, should we end the video here or should we keep going? No, I'm just playing with you. We should keep going, honestly. Should we try again with the 40 minigun ad? You know what? We're trying again. I don't care. We're trying again. It's not even working. I'm clicking on it. Bro, guys. Oh, this is just wave 24. Guys, the sound went off. Yo! The ad started at the worst time ever, bro. The worst time for an ad to start. Yo! Yo! I want to switch my guns out so bad, but at the same time I don't. Come on. No, they got us cornered! They got us cornered! I wonder how paranoid how how terrified those zombies with with the explosives in their hands are, since they're holding dynamite. I'm doing it. No, never mind. Yo!
Resident Zombie.
We hit continue, guys. We're good. We're good.
Rare things on sale, stranger.
I have the strongest feeling to go back to the Glock, but at the same time, I have the slightest feeling that we should not go back to the Glock.
Come back anytime.
Because it was hard enough to beat one chainsaw man. To be one chainsaw zombie with a Glock that had a drum on it that could hold multiple bullets. But at the same time, we died multiple times. And if you're new to the channel, you can go ahead and check out the first part. I didn't name it part 1 because I didn't even think I was gonna do it again. But this is gonna be, yeah. But seriously. Hey, bullets, frisker! Oh, they got us. They're getting us. Nah, bro. Bro, they look acoustic. Real. Nah. Jesus. Bro. Oh, nah! Them zesty looking ass zombies. It's just a joke. It's just a joke. I'm not gonna lie to you, them zombies look real zesty, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all, we gotta lock in because we are not. Can we just take the time to wonder what this guy did to wonder what this guy did to be put up here and burnt alive? What did he do to deserve this? That's my question. Why did I run into the... Why did I run into them? I have the strangest feeling that we should not upgrade this gun. That next time we should just try what if we just played the game without upgrading any of our guns. What do we get for it? Bro, I wonder if this dealer sells anything else besides guns, bro.
What a selection.
Like, do you...
On sale, stranger.
Like, tell me, do you sow grenades or do you just sow grenades with the gun?
Come back anytime.
Honestly, I feel bad for this guy. I really do. Yeah, I think this might be the boss. Should we pull out the shotgun before the timer ends? 31! Yeah, after this we're ending the stream. We're ending the video. I don't think I can take this anymore. Oh! Nah! They came around. They came out from all sides. Pause. Oh no! Nah! Nah! They really planned this out. They really had everything planned out, bro. Oh! Yeah, y'all, we cooked. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I can't even get. Oh my gosh! These things are smart. No! Please, go away! Yo! How much HP do those chainsaw people have? Let me at least throw one grenade. Cooked. We gotta get far away from them. Start spraying them! Ah! How much HP do they have? The bounce fight be the scariest of them all, I'm not gonna lie. I saw him coming. Pause. And I decided to do nothing about it. Y'all, we gonna have to end the stream here. I'ma see y'all in the next one, alright? I'ma see y'all in the next one. Peace out.